What is happening with Mr. Chapa?
So with this case, Judge, the defense did tender an affidavit of non-prosecution to the state today. It seems that the state is requesting 1 week to see if they can contact another witness at the scene to evaluate the strength of the case and whether it needs to be either resolved by rejection or to be set on the trial docket, Your Honor. So I know we are set for plea bargain deadline today. We'd be respectfully requesting 1 week adjournment so we can see if the state's going to elect to move forward with the charge, given the affidavit and lack of witnesses, or whether they still believe that they can prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Before we even hit the midnight mark, remember, courtrooms run on respect and routine. When something disrupts that rhythm, judges notice instantly. Watch closely, because this small interruption is about to snowball into a moment Judge Boyd will not forget.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can recall this for plea deadline date, final plea deadline date, 1 week from here now?
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, and just 1 second. Were you the person who had the female in here coming to visit you? Don't pretend like you don't know. The lady who was wearing an inappropriate skirt, like she's 12.
The pink blouse?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
She's not allowed back in this courtroom unless she's coming as a witness.
That's fine.
It is not, we're not here for people to tease people with their outfits. That's not good. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't know she was going to do anything like that. I thought she was just going to come in.
I'll be on the lookout. I'll be on the lookout too. The next setting, Judge. And
all right.
If she's in here, I'll explain to her she needs to wait outside.
Thank you.
Not allowed in the courtroom.
We're not. Yeah, that's not allowed because it's an issue, security issue, and then it's inappropriate behavior and conduct in the courtroom. Okay.
I'm sorry, and it's an embarrassing to me.
No. Here's the thing. One, you know that she can't do it, so you will tell her. Number two, that's her actions, not yours, but you should not participate in it. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, who's next? Jose Romero? Is there an application?
No application, Judge.
Okay.
Follow the agreement, Your Honor.
Anything you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. I was just wondering, cause I'm already on. I know I messed up or whatever. I'm just trying to see if I could. I'm already on parole, and I just wanted to, if you could run my sentence with, CC concurrent,
And what are you on parole for?
I'm already on parole for a burglary habitation. That was a long time ago.
Pause right here, because this is the moment everything shifts. The jokes stop, the judge pivots, and we jump straight into real legal stakes. Affidavits, plea deadlines, witness issues. This is where the case goes from courtroom chaos to legal pressure cooker. Pay attention. Would you grant a 1 week delay or push the case forward?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's what I'm on parole for.
Let me ask you this. Why do you keep doing this?
We human, man. We make.
No, that's not a mistake. You've been making choices. You know what a mistake is? Let me give you an example. If I leave my house and I don't think it's going to rain and I don't bring my umbrella to court with me, and somebody comes in and they tell me it's raining, and I'm like, curses, my hair is going to get wet. I'm going to get wet. I see there's an umbrella here. I know it's not my umbrella because I didn't bring any. And I take that umbrella. You know what that is? That's a choice. I know that's not my umbrella. You know what a mistake is? I leave the house. I know it's going to rain. I take a black umbrella to court with me. And everybody knows it's raining outside. And there's a person sitting next to me and they have a black umbrella. I leave because I'm ready. I finish my business at the courthouse. I pick up the umbrella and I go. And it's a black umbrella. I go outside and when I open that umbrella, I don't see my initials in that umbrella. Guess what? I mistakenly took somebody else's umbrella. What you've been doing is you've been making choices in your life. This person who obviously loves you for some reason, you made the choice to hit her. That's why we're here. And you know what? And you have a prior family violence case. That's why this is a felony. Because you have a previous family violence case. You just don't know how to behave.
Even though I didn't hear her, but you know.
No, let me just tell you, they have it on 911 call because she's screaming and yelling. And I don't know, maybe you thought she was cheating. Maybe that's why you wanted her cell phone. I don't know. But when you think somebody's cheating on you, you only have two choices. Either you believe them when they say they're not doing it or they're not going to do it anymore, or either you accept it. You don't hit on somebody.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm telling you right now, what I'm doing, I'm finding you guilty. I'm sentencing you to 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money is going to run concurrently. Take in consideration 2025 CR 012577. And what is that case?
That's, Your Honor, is an evading arrest.
Okay. Affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Lameshia, Lameshia Lewis. There's to be no residing in households with minors. And no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is.
And that right there is the kind of courtroom reality check people don't forget. 8 years, a lecture that should honestly be bottled and sold, and a judge who refuses to sugarcoat the truth. But here's the question for you. Do you think his apology was genuine, or was he just trying to dodge the sentence? Drop your take in the comments, because Judge Boyd's courtroom never leaves us short on opinions.
You'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. My advice to you, you're not ready to be in a relationship with anybody until you decide what is wrong with you and why you keep taking the actions that you take. Good luck to you.
Ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that our last case?
We're on.
All right. Thank you.